Hello students, welcome to the class. We are again here with the poem Bird Talk. In the previous video, we have read the poem and learned the new words of this poem. If you have not watched that video, then visit the channel and watch that video first. In this video, we are going to attempt the questions and answers of this poem and we'll also do some exercise based on this poem. So let's start it. First, let's read the poem once again so that we can revise the poem. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay, sitting in the garden talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow, they don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay, aren't people funny to be that way? This is our poem. Let's attempt the questions of this poem. Here is our first question. Name the two birds in the poem. Students, we have read the poem and in our poem Bird Talk there were two birds talking to each other. Can you tell me the name of those two birds? Yes, you're right. The two birds were Robin and Jay. So we can answer this question as the two birds in the poem are Robin and Jay. The two birds in the poem are Robin and Jay. Let's move to the next question. Let's check it. Here it is, our second question. What are three things that people can't do? What are three things that people can't do? We human beings, can't do many things, but we have to write in the answer three things we can't do according to our poem that are described in our poem. We have to write three things that people can't do. In the poem, we have read that birds have wings, but people don't have. Birds have feathers, but people don't have feathers. Birds can fly, but people can't fly. Birds eat beetles, but people don't eat beetles. Birds like to sit on wires and things, but people can't sit on wires and things. So we can answer this question as the people can't eat beetles, grow wings, or sit on wires and other things. Let's repeat. The people can't eat beetles, grow wings, or sit on wires and other things. That is our second question. Let's move to the next question. Here it is our next question. What do birds think of people? What do birds think of people? In this image you can see a bird is laughing and it is reminding me of Robin and Jay's thought in the last lines of the poem. And in the last lines of the poem, Robin and Jay call people funny. And in the previous video, the new words of the poem, we have read that funny means that cures laughter, causing laughter. So we can answer this question as birds think people are so funny. Birds think people are so funny. So now we have done the questions and answers of the poem. Now let's move to the next exercise. Here it is, think and write. But what to think and what to write? Let's see. Okay, people eat food with their hands and birds with their answer. People eat food with their hands. We human beings eat our food with our hands. But birds don't have hands. Then how they eat their food? They eat their food with their beak. Very good. You can see in this image a bird is eating some beetle by their beak. So we can write its answer is beak. Spelling of beak is B E A K, beaks. Students, the word birds is plural here, so we will use the word beaks, not beak. We'll say people eat food with their hands and birds with their beaks. Now you get it? The next is people live in houses and birds live in dash. We human beings have houses to live in. But where do the birds live in? Yes, you are right. Birds live in nests. So we can write here nest, the spelling of nest, N-E-S-T-S, nest. Let's see the next question. Here it is. Birds work with beak and claws and people work with dash. Birds have beak to work but people work with hands. So we can write the spelling of hands here. H A N D and S. H-A-N-D-S, that is the spelling of hands. Let's see the next. People walk on foot and birds fly with. This is very simple. We human beings have feet to walk, but birds fly and birds fly with the help of their wings. So we will write the spelling of wings here. What is the spelling of wings? W I N G N S. W-I-N-G-S, it is wings. People walk on foot and birds fly with wings. Very well done. Now we have completed this exercise think and write. Let's move to the next exercise. Let's see what is it. We have to write 4 sentences. But remember one thing, write sentences on birds. Write sentences on birds and use these following words. The one word is nest, second word is water, third is chirp, fourth is fly, next is sky, and the next one is wings. You can see there are 6 words but we have to make only 4 sentences. It means we can make a sentence using more than one word. So let's try to make a sentence with the first word nest. Let's try to make a sentence with the word nest. We know birds live in nest. So we can make a sentence on birds using the word nest as birds live in nest. Very good. Birds live in nest. Let's see the next. What is it? It is water. It is water. And we all drink water. Birds also drink water. Yes? So we can use this word as birds drink water by their beaks. Right. Birds drink water by their beaks. Birds eat food by their beaks and birds also drink water by their beaks. So here it is our second sentence. Now see the next word and let's try to make a sentence with this word. The next word is chip. Chip means, what is the meaning of chip? It is the sound of bird. We hear the sound of birds, and what we call the sound of bird is chirp. Let's try to make a sentence. Birds make a sound chirp chirp. Birds make a sound chirp chirp. Students, this is these are just examples. You can make your own sentences using these words. Now let's move on. We have three words: fly, sky and wings. I can make a single sentence by using these three words: fly, sky, wings. Can you also make a sentence? We all know that birds have wings. They fly in sky. So we can make a sentence as birds fly in the sky with their wings. Birds fly in the sky with their wings. Very well done. We have done this exercise in which we have to write 4 sentences by using these words. Let's see the next exercise. Let's see what is written here. Write words that rhyme with the words given below. Here 6 words are given below: grow, day, think, funny, eat and sink. We have to write the words that rhyme with these words. It means we have to write the rhyming words of these words. Students, you know very well that rhyming words are the words that have similar ending sound. So we have to write the words that have similar ending sound as grow, as day, think, funny, eat and sink. We have to write 2 words for each of the words. In this video, I'll tell you only one word, and this will be your homework to find another rhyming word. Let's try to find out the rhyming words. Let's check the rhyming words for this word grow. I remember the name of one bird which rhymes very well with the word grow. Do you also remember? Yes, it is crow. C-R-O-W, crow. Crow and grow are rhyming words. Actually, they have similar ending sounds, so we can say grow and crow are rhyming words. Now let's see the next word, that is day. And we can write way, W-A-Y, way as a rhyming word of day. You can write another words as well. The next word is think, and as a rhyming word of think, I can say blink is the rhyming word of think. B-L-I-N-K. For choosing the rhyming words, pronounce the words and check that they have similar ending sounds or not. If they have similar ending sound, so we can say that these words are rhyming words. The next word is funny, and there is a word that rhymes very well with the word funny, and this is honey. H-O-N-E-Y. See, honey, the spelling of honey and the spelling of funny is not looking very similar, but when we pronounce these words funny and honey, we get the similar sounds. So we can say that these words are rhyming words. Now let's find the rhyming word for eat, and it is very simple. We always use the flour of this object to make rotis, to make chapatis. And the word is wheat. 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 That rhymes with the word eat. The next word is sing. Students, do you know any rhyming word of sing? I know one rhyming word of sing, and that is ring. R-I-N-G. R-I-N-G. Now, this is your homework that you will write the another rhyming words for these words: grow, day, think, funny, eat, and sing. Now, it's time to say goodbye. Thank you and have a nice day.